Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sailor K Ganesh. Today we are going to explain you the procedure of portable and personal gas meter. Now Chief Officer will explain you about the gas meter calibration procedure.
Hi guys, welcome back again. So we'll start with the gas meter calibration procedure. Here we have a GX8000 two sets, and we have a personal gas meter GX2009. So one by one I will explain to you how to do the calibration of this equipment. This is very important. Together with air, reset and power button, we have to press all these three together, and then it will go in the calibration mode. We have a password 00018. So we go one by one. This zero, already zero is there. Next, and then next. Then here we have to go for 8. Okay, this is the password. Then go inside. Now it is in the calibration mode, also the settings mode. So we can change the date from here. We don't no need to change the date. Then go to the next. Start. If you press the start power enter key, then it will go on the normal start button, normal start of the equipment. So no need to start the equipment now. We will go to the next. Now this is a beep set. We can change the beep setting here. With the bump set, we can do the bump set. This is not the bump test. This is a bump set. So what is the setting of bump? We can set over here. Go to the alarm setting. So this is another requirement to set the alarm for when you are going to the tanks. You're supposed to be receive any kind of alarm. So here we can set the alarms as per our company manual. The next is bump. This is a bump test. This test is generally required when because every time you cannot calibrate the equipment. So when you are going for frequent rounds in the tanks, that time with your span gas bottles, you can do the simulation test. That is called the bump test. Here we have one cal. So if you don't have a multi-gas bottles on the board, then you can do one by one calibration for all the equipment what you have inside, like CO, O2, SC, and S2S. So we will go for the all gases together. So we have auto cal function also here. We go on the next step. Okay, this is the auto cal. Press the enter. Here we have 4 sets of gas. One, this is hydrocarbon 50% LEL, oxygen 12%, and CO, carbon monoxide 50 ppm, and S2S 25 ppm. So we need to calibrate this equipment with all these gases available. So we have a span bottle over there. With that bottle, we will calibrate this equipment. I will show you. Just for the span bottles what we have on board. So this required 4 sets of gas. I can show you over here. Hydrogen sulfide 25 ppm, carbon monoxide 50 ppm, methane LEL 50%, oxygen 12%, and balance is nitrogen. So these all 4 gases we required for this gas meter. So this is what we have here. After going to this mode, auto cal mode, you must connect this line to the inlet side of the gas meter. This is inlet side and this is outlet side. Before opening this flow meter gauge, if you connect this to the inlet side, you will get the flow failure alarm. So once you open this, then only you connect this to the inlet side. And this we have a flow meter over here, so you don't require the bag to fill the gas. Okay, so we go inside the calibration mode now. Before that, we will open this one, and I'll show you. Just open here. Okay, now the wall is open. Now connect the gas and then press enter. Okay, now it is started sensing the gas. Since this is auto calibration, so once it will reach on that point, it will calibrate the equipment accordingly, and you will get to know once you will press the enter that test is passed or failed. So now you can see that the hydrocarbon 50%, which is there inside this bottle, it's showing correct. Oxygen 12%, this is almost close to that 12%, and the CO 50, it is almost close to the 50-45, and the S2S 20 is 21.5. So slowly it will calibrate automatically. After that, we will once you reach on the set values, then you can press the enter key, and automatically it will do the calibration of equipment, and you will get to know that it is pass or fail. Okay, we'll go for enter. Now the test is passed, as you can see over here. Now close your valve and remove it from here. auto cal is passed. So auto calibration is done for this equipment. Okay, then go next. Volume Z cal. So another bottle we have isobutane 10% volume. So this is a new kind of equipment which is used for the tank inerted or non-inerted condition. So earlier days we have exclusive meter and times for different sets. Nowadays we have 1 meter for everything. So where we have one more gas isobutane 10% earlier. If your tanks are inerted conditions and you have hazardous gas inside it, so you can calibrate for all the gases in one set of gas meter only. So go to the zcal. So one by one you can go for the volume calibration also for hydrocarbon. So with this help of this gas meter you can calibrate for the volume also. So now you can see that volume calibration is failed because we have not connected the bottle. Volume zcal. The flow meter is not open full. I think it is bottle is empty. As you can see that bottle is already empty. Never mind, we have another set of bottle. Now we are going for the calibration of hydrocarbon, which is in the volume. Earlier we have calibrated hydrocarbon for the LEL percentage. 100% LEL is go 1% of by volume. Now we are going for the volume calibration. Here we have volume bottle, isobutane 10% by volume. So we will calibrate this equipment with the volume bottle. First open the knob. Okay, let's connect this over here. Okay, now as you can see that volume percentage is raising now. It is showing 3, 4. We need 10%. Since this bottle is almost empty, it's going very slowly. As you can see over here, this bottle is almost empty now. Can't do anything. Okay, do it. Auto calibration is finished. Now we go for the air calibration. Okay, this is air calibration. It is required every time when you are going to check the gases in the tank or any hazardous atmosphere. So this air calibration is normal air purge to the atmosphere. Press and hold this key, air key. Go back and here we have air calibration already in this mode. Press enter. Now the push air. So push air from here. Hold the air, adjust and then release. Now in 28-30 seconds it will calibrate for the fresh air calibration. Okay, this fresh air calibration is completed and press enter. Okay, now this is calibrated for fresh air. Still showing some error. Push air again. छोड़ दो. Leave it restart. Okay, then go to next. Okay, this is the start mode. Now this is the normal mode of this equipment. It's starting now. Yes. These are the alarm settings and warning settings. This is the alarm setting set already inside. You can change this alarm setting with the help of going to the calibration mode. And now this equipment is ready to use for any tank atmosphere. And now as you can see that SC hydrocarbon is 0% LEL, oxygen 20.9, CO is carbon monoxide 0 and H2S is 0. So this is the idle condition of this equipment. Thank you guys for watching our video.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.